guys, Andy here. I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have my summer Fab Fit Fun. So if you want to see what came in this box, then let's go ahead and get on into it. So yes, I did say summer. I purchased this on like the last day that you could get the summer box. They were doing a sale and I just happened to see it. So I got this, I don't even remember how much. I think it was 50% off. I think I got it for $25 to start my subscription. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It was their 50th box. So that's what the summer looks like. We have out of office. And then once we remove our tissue paper, that's your little sneak peek there. So let me set the box down and we can get into details. So you do normally get 6 choices. You get to make all choices, and that opens on the 15th of the month for seasonal subscribers. It opens on the 1st for annual, which I might end up going to annual. And you get up to a $300 value on your box, depending on your choices. So, and going forward, I'm going to try to remember to take photos of what my choices were at the time, because choice is coming for fall, and I'm very excited. So for customization number 1, well, first we do have some things on top. So it looks like we got enter a chance to win an escape to the Bahamas. I actually have these trash bags, these Bahama Bliss trash bags. They smell so good and they're blue, but this is a scratch and sniff. Oh, it does. It smells just like the trash bags, and they do smell so good. Spread a little sunshine so you can gift your friends and family a starter box. Yeah, so. And then up to 10 free meals from HelloFresh, and your first box ships free. So we got those on top. So, let's see, I would assume this is, yep. So, from Sol Angeles, so let me get it out of its paper. This is the Gauzy Maxi Dress. And I got it in this size plus. So, it's 100% cotton. So, let's see. So it's just a black maxi dress. Does it have pockets? I don't think so. But I'll have to try that on. I'll insert a photo of me trying this on to see if it fits. But where am I putting things? I guess that can go there. So that retails for $128, but currently on their site, it's on sale for $29. But it's a cotton pullover design made for layering or wearing solo, because it does come down very deep, so you can wear like a t-shirt underneath of it if you'd like. I think it'd look honestly really cute with this shirt under it. So, customization number 2. I grabbed the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It's makeup melting and soothing. Soothing? Smoothing. This retails for $32. I figured it's Glow Recipe. And I'm halfway through my cleansing oil that I currently have. So I prefer a cleansing oil to a cleansing balm, but oh, it does smell really nice. It says it's won 3 Best of Beauty awards back in 2021. It's safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers, so that makes me super excited. because I always, that's my issue with cleansing balms, is they usually bother my eyes. So, and this has, so it's got a 12-month shelf life. It's 100 ml. Yeah. Scoop a generous amount onto dry skin and move in circular motions. So, we got a big old guy there. Customization number 3. And I know I like this because I've used this before. This is from Innisfree, and this is their green tea seed cream. And this retails for $30. So that is what this looks like. This has 5 types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate skin. You can use AM and PM, and it has 100 hours of lasting hydration. Oh, it is currently sealed, so I am going to leave it sealed because I'm working on... I actually have a mini of this in my arsenal right now that I'm using. But I really do love this. I like this one more than the Cherry Blossom one because I prefer the scent of this. But they're very similar. But this is a really nice moisturizer. And when I made my choices, I was halfway through my current moisturizer, and I was like, hey, I know I like that. Innisfree is really nice on my skin. So, I picked that out. Next, for customization number 4, which there wasn't a lot in customization number 4 that I liked, so I went with this. So, is it just one? That is my question. It is. That's wild. So, this is the Dr. Jart Cryo Rubber Face Mask. So it's one mask, and it's $16. So this is a 2-step mask inspired by cryotherapy that moisturizes and hyaluronic acid that cools your skin. So, we have the 2 different things here. We have step 1, which is the moisturizing ampule, which you put on first, and then you put on the actual sheet mask. So, I'm actually going to keep this in its box, since it's a 2-step mask. And there we go. I was hoping it would be more than one, I just didn't know, but it is what it is. But still, $16 for a mask is wild, but I've used Dr. Jart masks before, and they are very, very nice. Customization number 5, again, there wasn't anything that, like, super stuck out to me that was something I really wanted, so I picked this because it's, you know, practical. So I picked out the First Aid Beauty Whole Body Deodorant Cream. We're getting into, for Illinois, the hottest month of the year. You would think July would be the hottest month, and it kind of is. July and August kind of tag team as the hottest month. Whole body deodorants, as even though I've lost almost 70 pounds, I'm still fat because I have lymphedema. So I've lost inches, but I'm still a big person. So whole body deodorant under the boobs, under the rolls, under all the areas. Whole body deodorant is fantastic. This retails for $20, but it was currently on sale when I checked for $14 on their site. It's invisible, aluminum-free, and 24-hour odor control. It keeps you dry and fresh with a light citrus scent. I do want to open this because I'm going to start using this immediately, and I want to smell it. Here, and I also want to feel texture. I'm going to be honest, I don't know if I smell a citrus scent. Ooh, the texture, though. Okay, you gotta rub it in to smell. It smells very lemony. Ooh, it is a light citrus. Oh, that texture. That sinks in. It smells like lemon pound cake, but it sinks in immediately, and it gives you that, like, powder dry. Oh, I love that. That's going to feel amazing. I am so excited. And First Aid Beauty, it's perfect for sensitive skin. It even says safe for sensitive skin. Like, their products are fantastic. And last but not least, for customization number 6. Yep, last item in the box. I got from Parachute Home. It's their makeup towel set of 2. This retails for $34, and it is a 2-pack. So they have little moons on them. These are 100% premium Turkish cotton towels. So I just figure, you know, a nice way to take my makeup off at the end of the night. I'm currently, all of my makeup erasers are dirty. So, do you have care instructions? No. Do you have care instructions? Machine wash, cold with colors, avoid bleach and fabric softener. Tumble low dry. Okay. That's pretty easy. So yeah, just 2 washcloths. Nothing too crazy there. So my box retails, because we're not going to take in those sale prices, for $260, which is not too shabby considering I paid $25 for the box. There were obviously, if you would have made your choices back when the summer box originally dropped, there were way more choices. But because I made my choice at the end of the season, I kind of got the leftovers. But I'm still really happy with all my choices. The only thing I'm a little disappointed by is the fact that this is just one mask. Because I couldn't find, I couldn't find that when I was looking at this. I couldn't find if it was a set of 1, a 5, whatever. But it is what it is. I'm excited to try the mask. It still gave me some value. It's fine. Everything else, as long as the dress fits, I am very excited for, which you guys will have already seen whether or not it fits, but I have not. So, yeah, I'm very excited to pick my fall items. I'm still debating on whether or not to get one of the purses. I'm still debating on whether or not to get the mug set, because the cherry, like, burgundy color for the fall season they chose is just gorgeous, and I'm living for it. So let me know if you get Fab Fit Fun, if this is something you're excited to be seeing on the channel. Otherwise, that's going to do it for this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys!